Welcome to the Stepping Stone community located right here in Parker, Colorado. This home, it is steps away from trails, parks, and an incredible community pool. If you're looking for that outdoor lifestyle, you let the dogs loose in the backyard, you sit around a campfire underneath the wonderful gazebo, this home has it all. It's a short commute to the Denver Tech Center of 25 minutes, 30 minutes to downtown. And if that sounds appealing to you, come check it out.